Before I started to work with Steve Smith, I was considering working with a health coach that understood my business. But I chose to work with Steve because Steve has an incredible background in business coaching, and he has a background working with corporate America as well. And I wanted to draw upon his skills from somebody outside of the health industry to be able to bring that into my business. Steve and I accomplished a lot in our 6 months. One of the biggest things I know for me personally is Steve helped me realize that the best way to predict our future is to create it. And he helped me get very focused. He helped me create a good business plan initially and be able to know how to execute that plan. I would say the most beneficial component of working with Steve Smith and a business coach is having that accountability. Somebody who is incredibly objective and looked at me and said, okay, I know you're passionate about this and I know you have a lot of feeling about this, but how is this going to affect your business and how is this going to grow your business? So really having the accountability, the objective perspective, and somebody who is just there walking the walk with you.